Okay, what we're working here is from chapter 11. It's on page 555 of the algebra course. And this is actually number 11, letter C, and it looks like this. You have x squared minus 16 all over 4 times 16 over x plus 4. And we need to do some canceling and some factoring to be able to simplify this product down into well, essentially its simplest form, right? Well, and we can look at this and know that the 4 and the 16 are going to cancel. We're used to doing that, so we'll go ahead and mark that off. But this other set of numbers here, the x squared minus 16 and the x plus 4, that's a little more difficult. So we're going to have to take it in steps. And the step that we do first is to factor this out into its factors. So we say, well, it's an x squared polynomial, so we know it's going to have an x and an x, right? And negative 16, we get that with negative 4 and positive 4. You can go back and do the distributive property here to check that, but that's what it factors out into. So then we just write out the rest of our problem. Well, at this point we see, well, I have an x plus 4 up here, and I have an x plus 4 down there. Well, that cancels. So that leaves us with, oh, and I'm sorry, this is 1, not 4. I was looking at that thinking that doesn't look correct. See, even teachers make mistakes. So when that up here, when we are factoring, canceling this, that 4 goes into itself once and goes into 16 4 times. So anyway, so back down here at the bottom, your answer then becomes 4 times x minus 4. And you could just as easily have written, you know, x minus 4 times 4, but it's the generally more accepted way of writing mathematics to put the whole number out at the beginning. It's called a coefficient most of the time. And anyway, you stick it out front, so that's why I switched this around. But all we did was multiply what we had left up here and write it as our answer. So this is our answer.